All right, this is a HAXCMS speed test. So in a few seconds, we're going to start the counter. I'm going to try to attempt to go from nothing to a HAXCMS website published out on Surge.sh. We're going to see how long it takes to do. So buckle up. All right, we're going to start in 20. Go. All right. I got to get the address. I got to copy this. We're going to call open the terminal. I'm going to clone into that so you know this is a new space. Never been to it before. I'm going to do ddev start. And when I do ddev start, it's going to spin up my container and it's going to start to give me an address. Now this part of it I don't have any control over. I have to sit here and wait while that goes about doing it. So it's going to run npm. It's going to get some of the dependencies that are required for this. In order to work, it's going to throw Surge.sh into the box. So you don't actually have to get Surge on your machine in order to do this. It's a very nice way to keep all the dependencies in one nice tightly knit package. And so there we go. It's in place, gives me the rest of my messages. Now I do ddev login, ddev ssh, okay, and ddev ssh, now I do Surge login. That's where I always screw things up. I do admin@admin.admin, and you can guess what the password is. So now I'm going to exit. That was the only thing that I had to do inside the box. Now that I'm here, I can copy the address, hacks. All right, there we go, HAXCMS ddev. Hit this button twice, because that's a state management thing I need to know about. HAXCMS to the world. Okay, let's do this now. And so we're going to set the color, will be like bright green. We're going to make this a blog. We're going to pick an icon that's charts and graphs because we need those. We're going to select it, then we're going to hit access. We're going to open that site up. You can see green with the theme there. We're going to edit this content. We have hacks in place. Now we're going to call open hacks and we're going to throw down a license by Ryan and btopro.com. And we're going to do license is non-commercial. I don't know why. Okay. So we're going to update, put that in the page. We're going to search. We're going to say, oh crap, there's nothing there. I need to get a video up on YouTube. That's the whole point, isn't it? And so we're going to open up the HAXCMS folder. And we're going to hit config. We're going to open config.php. And I have all of my keys in one place, but you can add them here. So I'm going to paste those in. And now we're going to refresh this page. And so now we've got a new page there. All right, we're going to do find. We're going to go to YouTube and we're going to type Elms LN because that's what you used to talk about all the time. Is go to a really early version of Elms and put that in place. Cool, we got that article in there. We're going to hit save. Now I'm going to show you another function of this. So we're going to do this. And we're going to say Elms LN because that's what that article is about. But this one's about HAXCMS and the future of distribution. Okay, so then we're going to put that and hit save. You're going to see things reflected instantly. We're going to hit HAXCMS, open that up, find things. We're going to search Wikipedia for publishing, and because this is going to transform publishing. And so we might as well tell you about publishing before we actually go and do it. Then we're going to go on YouTube and we're going to search for HAXCMS. Now we're going to say, hi, my name is HAXCMS, and this will be like HAXCMS speed test when we're all said and done. And we're going to take that video, we'll throw it up there. We're going to hit save. And we're going to go back, and then we're going to take the future of distribution because it really is. Okay, so now hit save, go back. Maybe let's make a change to this, like a radical change. Like you need a new theme, right? So let's switch over to a different theme entirely, and all your content is still going to work even though it's in that different theme. And then we're going to go back, we're going to change it. Let's make it look hideous, right? A developer style thing so you can see what's going on here. But the most important thing is fundamentally Hacks is still going to work. It's still super stateful, and you're going to be able to delete that paragraph you didn't mean to make. Hit save, unset your state, go back over to a theme that we can actually use as humans. And then when that theme that we can actually use as humans fires up, then we're going to go back and look at this paragraph in HAXCMS and see that it went away. That's fantastic. And so we're going to open this and we're going to hit the button that I said we were trying to race to, but instead I decided to change it a little bit. There we go. And now HAXCMS to the world is now a static microsite out on the web with nothing coming from Hacks except all my content. This is in a format that will live forever. And so in this little video, even if I didn't screw around with all that stuff, I have to wait for the npm dependencies, and just went from, the boilerplate. You can see I can do it insanely fast. So like if I start here and type boilerplate, because we're at about 5 minutes, right, and hit let's go, now I can have boilerplate kick out, and I've got something there so that now when I hit publish, we can throw this out to Surge. There we go. So there's our boilerplate site that's out on Surge. That took approximately 17 seconds. I really apologize. It was very hard. So I'm going to be talking about this quite a bit as to what's going on here. This is a whirlwind tour through the current state of HAXCMS.